What is going on YouTube? It's Sanky. We are back with another one. Now in this drop, coming at you guys with a couple of stocks that will explode. But before I kick things off, I'd like to help out the channel by hitting that like button because it keeps the show rolling. Alright guys, so what a week it's been in the stock market. Now I hope you've all hit success in and out of these markets, whether that's in business, health and wellness, family, friends. Now if you've been rocking with me, you've hit success in a play or another. That being said, I want to pull up Microvision, ticker symbol NVIS, as a player brought to your attention when they were trading in the teens last week. Now on the day's performance, this one's up 12%. Actually during the day, this one hit around that $22 mark, so they're up over 20% on the day, and on the week comfortably ending nearly 30%. So those of you in this one, shout out to you. You guys made some good returns. That's what I do. I try and teach you guys to fish by the lake where there's no other fishermen there, because it increases your chance of hitting success. And now you guys know it's time to start thinking about your exit strategy to ensure you optimize and maximize your profitability, to ensure that you bring back the W. Alright guys, it's time for the plays that will explode, so let's run the first one. So we're going to kick things off here. That's ticker symbol GMBL, that's Esports Entertainment. Now this is a play that over the Discord we've been accumulating our position over the week, and check out that performance on the day. This one's starting to wake up, starting to make their move. You guys gotta know this is one of the market's overlooked, underappreciated plays. Now I know a lot of you be looking at the video title thinking this is a play that has already exploded. I want you guys to know that's far from the case. This is a play that's just getting started. There's a lot more room in the tank with this one. Now they dropped news today. They've completed on a couple of acquisitions, and this puts them nicely on track to hitting management's target of getting to that $100 million in revenue by 2022. And that's a big move for the play. Makes us a double money play. You guys gotta know we win every day in these markets from Monday right through to Friday, regardless of what that stock price does. That's because we're invested into businesses that continually improve day after day. You guys got to know there's a delayed reaction with that stock price. The idea is to get in before the stock price makes this move. Now, currently standing $12. It'd be a blessing to get this one back in the $11 region, even more so back in the 10, so you can continue to build your position on the cheap on this one before they make their move. This is a play that's got real moving potential. You guys see what HITE did, moved up 45% in a day. GMBL can also do that. As a matter of fact, check this out. Back in February, this play took 2 trading sessions to double up. And if this one's going to continue to be overlooked, underappreciated in the market, I'm expecting a similar result somewhere down the line. So if you like this one, get on board. The next one I've got, that's ticker symbol DIS, that's Walt Disney, coming in at $177. Now the story here is in their last financials, streaming numbers came in lower than expected. But we know that's not all Disney brings to the table. They've diversified in what they do: theme parks, movie studios, cruise lines, everything like that. So that means there's a lot more potential in the play. The market is just overreacting to what is a big potential play moving forward. Now if we check out the charts, currently standing $177. The last time I spoke to you about this play, they're around that $169 mark. So this play's starting to wake up, starting to move upwards. So it's time you guys starting to take action if you haven't already done so in this one, because we're going into economic reopening. That's going to have a big impact on the play, because their cruise lines, theme parks, movie studios are going to start to operate at bigger capacities, and that's going to improve them from a financial point of view. Now I want you guys to hear that from me first and not from CNBC, because the time you hear it from CNBC, it's going to be too late. Stock price is already going to be $200. Now this is a play that can easily, it's going to be light work for the play to get to $180, $190, $200 mark off the back of economic reopening, the excitement, the buzz, the fill-ups of their parks, etc. So you guys got to start taking action. Now with Disney, what you're getting is a play that's going to deliver multi-year wins. You guys got to know some plays are there for 3 months, there for 6 months, there for 1 year. But because Disney is diversified in what they do, and management have a plan to continually develop and grow in that streaming part of the business over the decade, this is a play that's going to continue to win. Speaking of reopening plays, this one here is what I call an undercover reopening play. That's ticker symbol WFC, that's Wells Fargo, coming in at $46. Now, as you go through economic reopening, business activity is going to increase. So those quality banking plays that are designed to service and facilitate the businesses are going to do well off the back of that. Not to mention, Wells Fargo should also get some positive dividend news, some share buybacks as well to give that stock price some momentum. And also, if inflation fears come back into the market, this is a play that can benefit off the back of that, because if interest rate rises, it's going to improve Wells Fargo's numbers. Now, if we check out that stock price over time, this is a play that's just at surface level, and this is a business that's doing well. So from here, it's upside on the play. And if we zoom into this one, we know from March time to April time, this one was flying upwards. Now this one's steadily climbing. Okay, so the gradient in that stock price has changed, but it just gives you guys an opportunity to get on this one while it's a bit more quiet at the moment. But just know, if you look at that 1 month chart, this one's still trending upwards. That being said, short-term price target on this one, they should get to that $55 mark. Best case on this one, $60. So I just want to give you guys a heads up. Now, all my banking plays that I've put you guys on, whether that's Citibank, Goldman, or Wells Fargo, have been performing strong over the last couple of months, beating on average these growth plays, wiping the floor with them. So you guys want to ride the momentum while it still lasts. The next one I've got for that's ticker symbol HITE. That's HITE, coming in at $8.52. Now this one's caught a little bit of red on the week, down 3%. It's got to be that classic buy the rumor, sell the news around the NASDAQ uplisting. But regardless, the business remains fundamentally sound. What you've got here is a business in rapid expansion mode, and the market is underappreciating it. When you get these two things, that's a money-making opportunity. So I want to let you guys know. Now, currently got over 200 shares in the clip here. I'm looking to double my position on this one in the very near term. I'm looking to catch this one near my average around that $8 mark. Catch them there. I'm going to pull the trigger, increase my position, because this is a big potential play. And I remind you guys, all-time high on this one was around that $11 mark. This was a play that should easily be able to blast through that once the market releases these growth plays. You guys got to know, even the best growth plays right now being temporarily held down by the market. So don't let that stop you guys loading up on these quality plays, because there's big returns to be made down the line in the very near term. So I just want to give you guys a heads up on this one. As I say, use the pullbacks in this one to your advantage to catch this one on the cheap. Get your positions ready for the climb in this one. We'll be celebrating our success here too. All right, so those are the plays I've got for as we move into the weekend. That being said, as we do go into the weekend, you guys know I'm bringing the heat, as I always do, to ensure you guys crush next week with me in the stock market. Now, I didn't even get a chance to regroup with you guys on skills, because that was a play to buy at the beginning of this week. So I'm just glad I managed to get you guys into that one so you can enjoy that ride that they had, that 20% jump in the stock price just the other trading session. Now, as always, guys, I'm ensure that we win in the stock market round the clock for the rest of this year. So if you've been rocking with the channel, you know what time it is. This comment comes from Noah Greg, says, you shouted out ticker symbol TELL a while back. Big shout out to you, brother, making me lots of dollar. So to wrap this one up, I want to share this one with you guys. Now, this was a play that I put the family on way back, but it just shows you guys that these plays that I put you in, they are quality businesses. They will all come true. As I say to you guys, they all run their own race. In the meantime, you guys know there's a lot of different things going on, such as market effects. You guys know that, news outlets, short sellers, a lot of things can come and interfere with the run in these stock prices. So it's not about being short term with these plays. If you just take that longer term approach, you guys will hit success. As I say to you guys, this was a play that I put you guys on. I did my diligence on them. I only put you guys in quality plays. I ensure that I spend a lot of time making sure that these plays hit the criteria to become and presented on the channel. This was just one of these plays that I put you guys on, and it took a good couple of months for the play to come true. So going forward, a lot of these plays that are down at the moment, take a GMBL for example, that looks like it's down in the dumps. Just know that when we are speaking about this play in 6 months time, or even 9 months or 12 months time, that stock price is much higher, you guys will know why. So I say, with these plays, just stay patient, stay the course, just show faith and conviction, and you will hit success. So that wraps that up for this one. If you've got any questions for me, do leave them down below and I get back to you. I want to say I appreciate you guys. On your way out, do hit the like button for me. If you're new, join the movement, and I'll catch you on the next one.